Hello, my dears. Wait, let me set up my camera. What's wrong? Tina? Tessa? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, that's good. Ah, you made me scared, huh? Okay. So, how is your day today? Let's start with Tina. Since we are three people in this lesson, we will take turns in answering. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I think you're also having. Oh, how do we fix the microphone problem? Because we have echo. Can someone go in another room if you're sitting together?
Okay. Con nhìn đâu? Con lên.
Okay, let's wait for someone to settle. Oh, it's so dark over it's so dark over there, Tina. I hope a monster doesn't get you. Okay, there you go. I think you're settled now.
Okay.
Much better. Okay, how about for Nessa? Turn on your microphone. Is it better?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, that's good. There's no echo. Okay, problem number one fixed. Okay, so let's start with Nessa. How are you today? I cannot hear you that loud.
Um, Fine.
You're fine. What did you do today? Nothing fun?
Yeah, I just scrolling in private.
Ah, okay. But you're going back, the both of you are going back to school next week, and you're going back home today.
Yeah.
Mm, okay. How do you feel about going back home?
I just feeling like happy and sad at the one time.
Ah, okay. You like it in your hometown. That's nice. Okay. How about you, Tina? What are you looking for? It seems that you're looking for
I'm looking
yes.
for yeah, I'm looking for a fans.
Ah,
But yeah.
okay. Is that the only place you can be in?
It's my grandma room.
Ah, your
And
grandma's room. I know I
yeah.
understand why there's no fan over there.
Well, it have fans, but it's far, so uh,
Okay, try
it's
to make yourself comfortable also. So yeah, how do
yeah.
you feel about going home?
Actually, I'm feel good
You
because I also miss the cat.
you left the cat at home. So who's feeding the cat?
My usually my mother's, but if my mother's not home, my father will.
Ah, okay. So it's only you and Nessa in the countryside.
Yeah.
Ah,
But now my mother is there
your mother is
because
there to pick you up.
yeah.
Okay. So someone is excited and someone is feeling happy and sad at the same time. Okay. So let's see how this goes. Um, since there's both of you in this lesson and you know how short the questions are, we will try to have more questions about this one or maybe do a quick free talk about lessons related to the we will have questions related to the lesson. Okay, it's like sharing your opinions. So, yesterday, this is nice. Yesterday, we talked about the three different kinds of energy. So, I will explain what is renewable. Oh, okay, so for NASA, you will have fossil fuels. You will tell me what is a fossil fuel. For Tina, you will have nuclear energy. And for me, I will have renewable energy. Okay? Tina, is it difficult? Okay, do you want the renewable energy, Tina?
I think yes.
Okay. So you have the renewable energy, I will have the nuclear. Nessa, are you okay with yours?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with me, nuclear energy. So nuclear energy, actually, it's easy. It's just the electricity that we're using today. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's just what I learned from the lesson yesterday that the nuclear energy, it's expensive. It's the energy that we use every day. It lights up the whole city. What else? And we need people to take care of this energy or maintain this energy. But thing about it, it's expensive. Okay, who's next? Let's have fossil fuels. Nessa.
Mm, Possible is natural fuels such as coal or gas. Yeah.
Mhm. So where do we use fossil fuels?
Mm, for warmth, for heat, and electric.
Yes, for cars. Mm-hmm. Okay, what else? Okay, coal and cars. Okay, Tina, renewable energy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Renewable energy, they have three sources. Three main sources is about wind energy, solar energy, and water energy.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's actually expensive, and the solar panel don't uh they can't use on the evening,
Yeah.
and yeah,
Is that all?
and it's yeah good for the environment.
Okay. Oh, by the way, I want to know, how do you feel giving answers while you're together? Are you comfort are you comfortable giving answers that you're in one class together? No. Yeah. Be honest.
Really,
Your
I don't know.
siblings, you don't know. Okay. Or maybe I see that's you might not be that comfortable about it, but let's try to you act like you don't know each other. Like that. You just act like you don't know each other. Okay. So now we will have the renewable energy again. We're already done reading this yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, since Tina is the youngest, do you want to go first in explaining what you learned in here? What you agree and disagree with? Or no?
Uh,
Nessa is laughing. No, I'm no, Tina. I'm doing this because uh what's my reason, huh? There's a reason. It's like I don't want you to run out of ideas like that. So that's why I'm letting you share your ideas first, or do you want to share your ideas last?
I don't know, but I thought I didn't read it.
You didn't read
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Oh no. Okay. So, okay, since this is three paragraphs, I will divide it for the three of us. Okay, I will also take part. So for the first one in here, this is my part. For the second one, this is Nessa's part because I think Tina is comfortable with going last. So Tina, you will be the last part. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start. This is Nessa is reading it again. Okay with you?
Yeah. The
Okay.
number of yes. The
I'll be the
number
one, the first one.
of
Okay. So the number
some
of people in the world is growing very quickly. In 60 years, about 11 billion people live on Earth. All these people will need energy. Fossil fuels have helped us to develop our world, but we may need to use more renewable energy. Nessa?
some people agree that we should start new renewable energies. One reason is that fossil fuel have created a lot of pollution. It's have caused our world to become harder. A warmer world is a problem because many areas will be put in the war, the area will become covered with water. Another reason is that the fossil fuel will running out. Someday the older fossil fuel will fall. Is it a serious problem if we don't have renewable energy?
Okay. Tina?
Yes, other people argue that we should not start using renewable energy. They say that we should continue use fossil fuels. Renewable energy cannot supply all the energy we need. If we stop using fossil fuels, we will not have enough power to use our cell phones, computer, or cars. Everyone will be very unhappy. Another problem is that renewable energy is very expensive. Many countries cannot afford to produce this type of energy. Fossil fuels are much cheaper.
Okay, so now let's start with Nessa. Which part do you agree with the most?
I think that I think that I agree with the second one.
Where is that again? The second one. So
The
the
second
one
one,
that Tina read.
yes.
Okay, why is that?
Mm, because we can just like we can use the renewable energy for a little thing, but we cannot do it for all the things. So just for everyone.
Mm-hmm. Okay, how about Tina? Which one do you are you still okay with there? The
Yeah,
fan thing. Okay.
yes,
Mm-hmm. So which one do you agree with the most?
I agree with the first one.
Some people argue that we should start using renewable energy. Oh, okay. Why is that?
Because yeah, fossil fuels are running out. It's not endless. And yeah, if we don't start use renewable energy now,
Mm-hmm.
I don't say that we need use it all the time. Yeah, because just like if the fossil fuels are running out, we have the energy don't very slow.
Okay, understood. So that's okay. You and NASA have different opinions and agreements, but that's okay. There is no need to compare that. Now, let's go to the part where you disagree. NASA, which part do you disagree with?
Mm, uh, I think it.
Mhm.
I think I disagree when they say that just like we cannot have enough power if we use renewable. I agree
Energy.
with that because I think that just like renewable have many different kind of, but it's just so small and that expensive. That means that we cannot have enough power to use.
Yeah. So you disagree with that one?
Well, I agree.
You
I
agree?
don't,
Okay.
yeah,
And
I don't
then
think I have any idea of disagree in that
the
one.
opinion. Okay, you agree with everything. Okay, how about Tina? Anything that you disagree with?
I think that's just a little disagree. Renewable energy cannot supply all the energy we need.
Okay, you think it can supply everything that we need?
Yeah, but actually it's expensive.
Yeah, if we really, actually we can do that by buying batteries. It's like
Yeah.
storing extra power, but it's too expensive to do that one. And I don't think what do you call this one? I don't think someone would buy such an expensive thing. I don't know. I have never reached that concern yet. But if we do that, I think it will be very expensive, and it's more expensive than nuclear power to maintain it. Okay. Any other opinions from you, Tina, in this reading?
I think no.
None. Okay, how about you, Nessa?
No.
None. Okay. So now let's proceed to the comprehension check. So now, there are 5 questions. Okay, I will give 2 for Tina, 2 for Nessa. And number 5, I think we should all answer it. Okay, let's have 1 and 2 for Tina. So, Tina, I know, Nessa, how many people will live on Earth in 60 years? Nessa, you're confused. Okay,
Hmm.
do you need to check the reading again? There.
Yeah. Oh, 11 billion people.
Yes. Okay, next one, still you. So, number 2, why is it a problem that our world is becoming hotter?
It means that have the ocean have more water, and that means some area will be covered of water.
Okay, so next one. Number 3, Tina, why should we develop renewable energy?
Because fossil fuels are running out and it's maybe gone on someday.
Okay. Number 4, Tina, what will happen if we stop using fossil fuels?
We cannot have enough energy for things we need. We can't use cell phones or like that, and everyone will be unhappy.
Okay. So now for number 5, are Do you need, or does the both of you need a minute to think about your answer or no? I will give you a minute or time to think about your answers. What do you think? No need? No need. Which one? Tina, what do you think?
Um, why can many countries not afford to
Okay, too
because this is
expensive.
expensive?
Okay, it's expensive. Is that all?
I think that's
Okay, so how about for Nessa? Why can many countries not afford to produce renewable energy?
Like you say literal, uh, that because it's not enough, and some of them that energy are not just like when the run it rainy that have we cannot get the sun and we cannot have a solar
Mm-hmm.
power. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now, um, okay, let's do the vocabulary check. Uy, okay. I'll give the first one as a bonus, and let's have a highlight in this lesson. So, I no, I'll just call your names. So, number one, climate, that's for me. Climate change has produced bad results. Okay, number two, Nessa.
This food will food your body with energy.
This food, what's that?
Mm,
Is it difficult? We can go back to that one later.
yeah.
Okay. So this number two is for Nessa. Number three, Tina.
last weekend it rained so much that some of the city was uh where
Flooded.
flooded.
Okay. Number four, Nessa.
Oh, not feel we were make many thousands of years ago.
Most fuels. Huh? Fuels? Is that your final answer?
I think that is.
F- I don't recommend using fuels.
So maybe fossil.
Yes. Okay. Oh, why can't I write? Where's my annotation? Most fossils. Okay. Next one, number five, Tina.
We burn fuels to create energy.
Okay, very good. We burn fuels to produce. Where is my? Okay, number two, Nessa. What could it be?
Chemical is food will suddenly your body will energy.
Okay, so energy. This food will supply. Wait, why is it not working? I wrote it down. Okay, so again, number one, let's read it. Climate change has produced bad results. Number two, Tina.
Yeah, this food will supply your body with energy.
Okay, number three, Nessa.
Mm, last weekend is rain so much that some of city was flooded.
Okay, very good. Number four. Oh, I'm confused already, Nessa. Ano? Who is it? See, I'm confused. This is okay, Tina. Yes, I was right.
Most fossils were made many thousands of years ago.
Okay, and number 5, Nessa.
We burn fuel to create energy.
Okay, very good. So questions about this one.
None.
Okay, so maybe later, I don't know if it helps. Maybe if we have enough time, or maybe before we go to the supporting and opposing opinion, we will watch a short documentary about a city who does not have electricity. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we will know more about that, and maybe we will be. I'm gonna do that so you have a strong idea for supporting and refuting opinions. Okay. Okay, let me do that one maybe now. Mm, Wait, why is my connection weak, huh? Do not be weak. Okay, wait a moment, guys. Let's find that one. Got where that documentary was. But okay, let's find a short one. The city with no electricity. The city without. Okay, we could not have it. Imagine the world without. Okay, let's have this one instead. But do you hear it or no?
No.
No, you don't.
Not
Oh,
yet.
okay. Okay, so good news. I already found the video that I was looking for. Bad news, we have to re-enter the classroom again. So we will watch it once we re-enter the classroom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Let's re-enter.